I'm about to check and approve this design that my teammate has created. He has made some changes to an existing design, but at this point I don't know exactly what has been done, and my teammate is busy in meetings all day. How can I check exactly what has been done in this assembly so that I know if I can approve the design or not? I'll show you one way you can do this, just watch this to see how. Hi, I'm Lars Haalland, certified SOLIDWORKS expert and 3DEXPERIENCE specialist. I help companies to get the most out of the 3DEXPERIENCE platform so that they can become more effective in their product development processes. Now I want to compare two different revisions of an assembly that I'm looking at here. And I have received this task where my teammate tells me what assembly this is, which is really convenient because I don't have to spend time looking for it. I will open the task and drag the assembly into the app like this. And the app for comparing two revisions is called, you guessed it, Compare. I'll just open the assembly in this app and I can then open any other revisions of the same assembly, which is good because it means that you can use this app for comparing any two revisions of the assembly. When the assembly opens up, we will look at the assembly in three different ways. Up here you can see the structure of the assembly. Down here you can see the metadata or the properties of the assembly file, and then you can see the 3D model itself. In this window you can measure and look at sections as well. In the structure you can see that there are some color-coded elements, and they show you what the actual difference is. Whether something has a new revision, has a new position, or for instance if something is removed from the structure. You can then filter the views by clicking these tick marks on and off. As you can see here, this view tells us that this fender is moved, but the fender subassembly itself is not changed. What has changed is this part that pushes the fender subassembly a little bit away from the structure, and it is marked with this purple chip that indicates that the revision is new. At this point I might have enough information to know whether or not I can improve this design, but let's dig a little bit deeper. Here I can see that there are some documents attached to some of the components, and they need to be checked as well. I can see that one of the components is missing an attachment, but this is not critical for this assembly. So I can now approve the design, and I can do that from within Bookmark Editor. So that's it. This is how you can check a design towards another revision and get all of the information necessary to come to a release decision, and probably save some time compared to other ways of doing that. And because there is no need for a CAD license, any non-CAD user with the authority to release can do so. I hope this was useful. Check out some of our other content if you want to know more tips like this one.